to love and to cherish and
my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for poor, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish.
Mtu mwenye ni mlemavu sio kusema hajiwezi. Kuna lile jambo anaweza kufanya. Kama huyu wamefanya harusi leo, he's a very good electrician. Zipi she's the best cook I have ever seen. Ni msichana haongei, lakini kupika kwake keki na vitu chakula lojo tamu tamu anapika vizuri sana.
I feel so much relieved because I love her so much. And I've loved her for a very long time. We can do anything, just like other people. The deaf and the hearing are equal, except that we can't hear. So most people will be worried that the deaf will suffer their marriage. No. We are equal with the hearing people. And I will work hard to ensure that my marriage becomes successful. May God bless all of you. And I'm very happy that God came with us and guided our parents.